Today's story is about learning with love. It shows that age doesn't matter when you truly want to learn. Let's listen to Grandma Mina's journey and see how she found joy and confidence while learning English for her family. It was a sunny morning. Grandma Mina sat on the sofa holding her knitting needles. The phone rang. It was a video call from her grandson Arav, who lived in London. Hi, Grandma, Arav said with a big smile. Hello, beta, Grandma replied happily. They talked for a few minutes, but soon Arav began speaking fast in English. Grandma smiled, but she couldn't understand all his words. She nodded politely, even though she missed half of what he said. After the call, Grandma sighed. I wish I could talk to Arav more, she said softly. Her daughter Ria walked in from the kitchen. Mom, what happened? Grandma looked down. He speaks so much English now. I couldn't follow him. Ria held her hand. Then we will fix that. You can learn English. Grandma laughed. At my age? Oh, I'll forget everything by tomorrow. Ria smiled warmly. You always told me never stop learning. Let's try together. Grandma thought for a moment and then nodded. All right, tomorrow we begin. The next morning, the table was ready with notebooks, pencils, and a cup of hot chai. Grandma sat straight like a student. Teacher Ria, I'm ready, she said playfully. Okay, student Meena, said Ria, laughing. Let's start with greetings. Say, good morning. Good morning, Grandma said slowly. Perfect, said Ria. Grandma clapped her hands. Look at me. I'm speaking English already. Day by day, Grandma learned new words. Tea, spoon, door, flower, happy. She even wrote short sentences like, I am Meena. I love my family. Today is a sunny day. Every evening she practiced by reading labels on jars and watching English cartoons. One night, Ria came home and saw Grandma laughing at Tom and Jerry. Mom, you're watching cartoons? Yes, Grandma said proudly. It helps me learn English and it's funny too. They both laughed until tears came. After a few weeks, Grandma started using English words during the day. When Ria gave her tea, she said, Thank you very much. When the neighbor visited, she smiled and said, Good afternoon. One morning, Grandma met her friends in the park. They were surprised when she greeted them in English. Meena, you're speaking English now? One of them said. Grandma smiled proudly. Yes, I learn every day. You can join me. Soon, her friends came to her house every weekend to practice together. They called their small group the English Club. They played word games, learned new phrases, and laughed at their funny mistakes. 2 months later, Ria said, Mom, Araf will call you today. Grandma's heart beat fast. Oh dear, I hope I remember everything. When Arav appeared on the screen, Grandma smiled brightly. Hello, Arav. How are you? She said slowly but clearly. Arav's eyes widened. Grandma, you spoke in English. That's amazing. Grandma laughed shyly. Yes, I learn English for you. They talked about food, weather, and even her garden, all in simple English. After the call, Grandma's eyes were shining. I did it. I really did it. Ria hugged her. I'm so proud of you, Mom. From that day, Grandma continued learning every morning. She watched English songs with subtitles, wrote new words in her notebook, and even helped her friends with pronunciation. One day, Arav sent a small gift, a book titled English for Beginners. Grandma opened it and found a note inside. Dear Grandma, you are my inspiration. Love, Arav. She smiled with tears in her eyes. That's the best reward I could ever get, she whispered. Now, every evening, Grandma sits with her friends in the garden and practices English under the setting sun. Her laughter fills the air and her voice is full of confidence. Don't say I'm too old. You are never too old to learn. Practice small steps every day. Even 10 minutes is enough. Watch easy English videos or cartoons. Speak English with family or friends. Don't fear mistakes. Believe in yourself. Progress takes time, but it always comes. Thanks for watching. If this story inspired you, please like, share, and subscribe. And remember, learning English is not about age, it's about heart.